Hello, my friend. So good to be talking to you again. You know what? Online business in 2026 is not like what it used to be. There's no more guessing, no more scams. There is a very clear path set for people who are interested to do a business online. There's a very clear, proven blueprint that you can use, a step to step guide to help you establish your own online business and earn in 2026. There's no more guessing and no more wasting time. You know what? Smart people are building their digital income using only their mobile phone and a good internet connection. So, what are you waiting for? In tough times like this, if you are really in need of a side hustle that can earn you an income, comment interested below and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching this video and I'll be seeing you in my next video.